This is one customer. Her name is in my Oracle database, and her name is in my MongoDB database, and for a long time I thought the difference between those two places was just the shape of the box she was stored in. Tables on one side, documents on the other, rows versus JSON. Then I actually built the same feature twice, once on each, and the shape turned out to be the least interesting thing about it. So let me show you what I found, because it changed how I pick databases entirely. Start with Oracle. When I saved my customer there, Oracle did something that felt almost obsessive. It refused to store any fact more than once. Her name went into one table. Her orders went into another, each one pointing back at her with an ID. Her address went into a third. Nothing was ever copied, and every piece of her existed in exactly one place. This idea has a name, normalisation, and it is the entire personality of a relational database. And it has a price. When my app asked for her profile page, Oracle had to go collecting. It walked to the customers table for the name, joined over to the orders table for her history, joined again for the address, and assembled the answer fresh every single time. That assembly work is what a join is, and on a page that needs 5 joins, you're paying for 5 of them on every read. Now the same customer in Mongo. When I saved her there, I did something scandalous by relational standards. I stored the finished answer. One document holding her name, her orders, and her address, all together, already assembled, shaped exactly like the page that needed it. When the app asked for her profile, Mongo did one lookup and handed the whole thing back. No collecting, no joins, no assembly. It was noticeably, measurably faster to read. And Ellen, I felt clever right up until she moved. One address change. In Oracle, that was one row and one table, and every part of the system saw the new address instantly because there was only ever one copy to change. In Mongo, her address was sitting inside her profile document, and inside 2 order documents, and inside an invoice document, because embedding copies data, and copies are the price of fast reads. I had to hunt down every one of them, and the one I missed shipped a package to her old apartment. That is the real difference between these two databases, and it has nothing to do with the shape of the data. It is about when the work happens. Oracle makes you pay at read time, assembling answers from single sources of truth, so writing is cheap and reading carries the cost. Mongo makes you pay at write time, updating every copy of every fact, so reading is cheap and writing carries the cost. Once you see it that way, the choice stops being religious and starts being arithmetic. A product catalog gets read 10,000 times for every time a price changes, so paying the right cost almost never, and getting free reads all day, is a wonderful trade. A banking ledger changes constantly and can never ever show 2 different balances for the same account, so single source of truth writes are worth every join. Now, the honest footnotes, because both camps will be in the comments. Mongo can reference instead of embed, and since version 3.2 it has had the lookup operator for joins, and modern Mongo can absolutely be run in a normalized style. And Oracle stores JSON documents natively, and has for years. Neither database locks you into its philosophy. But defaults matter more than capabilities because teams build the way the tool makes easy, and each of these tools makes the opposite thing easy. Pick a database and you are really picking which habits your codebase will grow. So here's the pro tip, and it is the same one I gave in the short version of this video, because it is genuinely how this decision gets made. Before you pick, log 1 normal day of your application's life and count the reads against the writes. If reads win by 100 to 1, embedding will feel like a superpower. If writes are constant and correctness is sacred, normalize and never look back. The ratio makes the choice, so you do not have to. And if you want the same story for SQL versus no SQL as a category, that video is already on the channel. Same customer, even more terrible decisions.